today for the Bitcoin price. And yes, guys, one of the craziest, if not the craziest pattern I have seen for Bitcoin is looming right now. This pattern is right now predicting a dump and then a huge pump for Bitcoin. The question is, what pattern am I talking about, and why is the price target, which it is implying for Bitcoin, which is coming next, so crazy, so groundbreaking, so life-changing? Let's talk about that. You think I am clickbaiting, you think I'm crazy, watch this video until the very end. Of course, smash up the like button as always. Let me actually turn around. I don't want the wind to come from the wrong side here. And let's go straight into the content. Today's video is a very special one. I have not talked about Bitcoin patterns since a very long time, but this is a big one. We are here on the 4-hourly candles, and let me start slowly, guys. Let me start very, very slowly. Right here you can see this trend line, right? Downward sloping trend line. And you're probably asking yourself, what is the pattern you are talking about? Well, let me show you exactly what pattern I'm talking about. If we are starting on the left side, this here could be a left shoulder. Hear me out, guys, hear me out. Then the head. Whoops, sorry. And then we are having the head. And what we are talking about here is, probably most of you already know, a potential head and shoulders pattern. And the right shoulder, this is exactly where it gets tricky. It could end right here, it could dump a little bit lower. The matter of fact is, this pattern is predicting an insane breakout within, let's say, maximum 1 week. Rather like 3-4 days. Of course, I could be wrong here, but we should be prepared for this scenario. Bitcoin was completely wicking out all the bulls. So it is potentially, at least possible, that we are getting a big pump towards the upside. Please do remember, before I talk about the price target, that we can have another leg down. As long as we stay above the headline here, above the previous low, this is still a valid pattern. What we need to break is the approximate level of 21,000 on a 4-hourly candle close. And in this case, we are talking, dear ladies and gentlemen, let me actually quickly go into it. Thank you so much, of course, for always watching these videos. I got 1 million followers over on Twitter. I truly appreciate every single one of you. Let's hit 1 million here on YouTube next. And of course, guys, I want to talk about my trade as well, which is right now raking in approximately 110,000 US dollars. Yesterday it was 230,000. So of course, people are already screaming, Chris, you're gonna get wrecked there. Well, I will talk about my trade and about my price targets very shortly. First of all, let's talk about the price target. If Bitcoin is going to get its long-awaited breakout here very, very soon, we would be talking about a price target of 26 to approximately 27,000 US dollars. Take it rather conservative at 25,500 to 26,000 US dollars for this specific breakout. And of course, my trade is open here. If we are breaking out to 26,000, we are talking about a potential profit on this trade of 700,000 US dollars. For my Bitcoin trade, if we are breaking lower, I am very happy. Actually, let me go in here. I am very happy to scoop up this trade here. Actually, I'm having another limit order in this position at 17,300 US dollars if we would be breaking lower. Not something I'm expecting right now, but I'm always prepared for both scenarios. Also, something else I wanted to talk about. Even if we get the breakout, this is not a reason to get extremely bullish just yet, because we know we need to break the EMA ribbon on the daily, at least 29,000 US dollars, the price target we are looking out for. Why? Well, let's go back into the history and let me show you exactly what I'm talking about. Because the previous times Bitcoin broke severely below the EMA ribbon on the daily, right here, only when we broke it before, we didn't go back and we had this bull run to come afterwards. The same thing happened when we broke here lower. In 2018, actually, November, boom, we broke below, hit 3,100 US dollars, and eventually, only when we hit it, only when we broke it, that was the moment we got continuous upside here, at least to 14,000 from 3,000, actually towards the upside. This was the start of the bull market. So this is what I'm waiting for right now as well. Of course, I remain in my long trade, but this doesn't mean that only if we are breaking this head and shoulders pattern, I'm already screaming for new all-time highs. No, there's a lot of resistance above us. So please Dear ladies and gentlemen, stay very realistic here. And one other thing I wanted to talk about, if you want to be opening trades as well as I am doing it, I'm saying it time and time again, and today actually I have the highest bonus since a year or so. Bybit alone grants you $4,550 in free bonuses. I also have a VMAX and Binance link down below. What you have to do is, this is the pinned comment, you can see it right here. You go down below, and the very first comment below this video and also in the video description, you can click these links. Make sure you're not falling for scams. Take the verified account here with the verified check mark and click these links. If you are experienced, you can claim your own free bonus after your initial deposit as well and trade with it. But please do it only as an experienced trader. By the way, guys, just quick fun fact. I am here, and this is the biggest yacht in Ibiza as far as I know, the Lady Lara. Price approximately $250 million. If you are a true Bitcoiner and you are a hodler, you might be able to afford a part or the whole thing in 5 or 10 years. Thank you so much for watching, guys. We are going to see each other very soon at the next one of MM Crypto. And as always, guys, as always, bye bye.